Hi, my name is Lito. I'm a parent makeup artist and trainer of International Academy S. In this video, I will tell you about parent makeup aftercare instruction for the eyebrows and how you should take care about your eyebrows at home. The health result depends on your aftercare routine. That's why home aftercare is very important. Before touching the PMU area, please wash your hands or use hand sanitizer to prevent infections. Please don't touch the skin with dirty hands. Day first after the procedure. Every hour, please wipe off your eyebrows from the lymph with a wet cotton pads. You can use clean water or distilled water. And continue wipe off the new eyebrows every hour during the first day. If you have oily combination skin, please wipe off the eyebrows every 30 minutes during first 2 hours. Or you can clean the eyebrows from the lymph with soap 2 hours after the procedure to prevent big crusts. 1 week after the procedure, please apply a tiny layer of aftercare cream on your eyebrows 3 times a day, morning, afternoon and evening. You may use Q-tips or clean fingers with gentle movement. After 6 hours, please gently pat the area of your new eyebrows with a tissue to remove the old ointment and apply new one. Please apply a thin layer. Don't apply thick layer of the ointment because it will be like sauna effect and it will not heal properly. Please try to avoid water contact on your new eyebrows during 3-5 days. Keep the eyebrows out from the water when you're washing your face, body or hair.
Water out!
For example, you can very carefully wash your face like that with the water, or you can take shower and wash your hair like that. If water gets on your new eyebrows, don't worry, just take a clean napkin and just pat the eyebrows and the skin. Don't touch, remove, scratch or rub the crusts.
You will not touch anything.
During the procedure, PMU artist penetrates the skin with PMU machine and fills in the pigment inside the skin with the needle. That's why healing process will be with the scabs, and the crust depends on your type of skin and your aftercare routine.
Like the old Domino's pizza crust.
The crust will appear on your new eyebrows on 2nd or 3rd day. The scabs start peeling off on the 4th day. They will fall off in a few days. The skin has to heal properly under the scabs, and the crust have to peel off from the skin naturally. Easy explanation. Just imagine when you scrape your knee and your skin have to heal properly, right? And you don't scratch the scabs from your knee. The same healing process will be with your eyebrows. If you scratch the crust, you will scratch the pigments too. Typically, all scabs will peel off in 1 week. Sometimes it can be 2 weeks. After 1 week, when all scabs will peel off, you will see that the colors it disappeared. What happened?
Because it doesn't have any pigment.
Don't worry, the healing process continues. New skin forms over the wound and the pigment will appear. The color on your new eyebrows will reappear after full regeneration process during 3, 4 and more weeks. Full regeneration process is about your age, or the best formula of full regeneration process can be your age plus 10 days. For example, if you're 30 years old, just add 10 days and your regeneration process will be 40 days. Then you should book an appointment for your touch-up and color boost after 30 or 40 days after your first procedure.
If we had an appointment, we'd be in the book.
Just imagine, when you scrape your knee and all scalps will peel off, then you will see new skin and it will be pink color. To get the same color on the skin, you have to wait for full regeneration process on the skin. The same healing process will be with your eyebrows. The main idea, before your skin is completely healed, please don't touch, remove, scratch and rub the scabs, as this could result in the color healing uneven.
Razor, mouthwash, deodorant, dental floss, band-aids, shaving cream, aftershave.
Use aftercare cream, which you will get from your PMU artist, or use ointment, which will be recommended for you. Don't use any other ointment to get good killed result. First week your eyebrows will look dark and intense. Please remind that first week it will not your true result and pigment will peel off during 1-2 weeks. The pigment will fade 30-50% from the first procedure. Any redness, puffiness and irritation will go down within a couple hours after your procedure. Also, it can look like inflammation with white borders because of the numbing cream.
This one just has no pigment.
Note, the final color have been seen after 4 weeks, when the skin is fully healed. Things to avoid after healing. Avoid swimming, sauna, hot tubs for 1 week because it will cause peeling off the scabs before your skin is fully healed.
Swimming, water skiing.
You are advised to stop gym and activities for 5-7 days due to sweating and prevention infection. Avoid facials, laser treatment, chemical peels, retinols and any other product that can promote the skin peel 2 weeks. Avoid sun and tanning 1 week after the procedure.
I'm a technician in a tanning salon.
Avoid activities that require you to lay on your face, and please don't sleep on the face into the pillow. Avoid to touch the new eyebrows with dirty hand. Always wash your hands before touching this area to prevent infection. No skiing a few days because cold temperature can cause inflammation.
Massage, sauna, jacuzzi, tanning salon.
Don't forget, no scratching your eyebrows. No makeup on your new eyebrows 5-7 days after the procedure to avoid infection from your dirty brushes and pencil and other products. No brow waxing, plucking and tinting 1 week after the procedure. No Botox 2 weeks after the procedure.
She's a natural beauty. Yeah. No makeup? Ooh.
After 1-2 weeks, you may resume regular activities and your regular skin care routine. Don't forget to use cream with SPF to protect your new eyebrows from the fading. Please follow the aftercare instruction to get the best result after your procedure. The PMU artists take care of you and provide the aftercare cream and ointment and explain the aftercare instruction in details. There are many different protocols of aftercare from the different schools. Try and choose one which will be more convenient for you and for your clients. Please write in the comment which aftercare instruction you recommended for your clients and for the clients which aftercare instruction your PMU artist was recommended for you.
Because every client is our most important client.
Recommendation for PMU artist. You can send this video to your client as an explanation of aftercare for the eyebrows. And your clients will be happy that you take care of them. There are 6 different creams in our aftercare collection. And first one, it's cream Regular. Regular cream is a natural product which contains carefully selected natural ingredient which accelerate the healing process. You can use this cream 7 days after the treatment and you can apply with gentle movement 3 times per day. Cream Dry Heal is extremely light cream with active components which mattify the skin and allow better resorption and retention of the pigment after the treatment. This cream is very good for oily combination skin. Cream Anti-Scars is specially designed to accelerate the regeneration of the skin after PMU and microblading treatment. Cream Healed Effect. One of the biggest problems which clients experience is redness and darker color of the eyebrows. In order to resolve this problem, we have designed a cream that contains mineral pigment in natural shades. Cream Extreme Protect is a cream based on sun and sweat protection. This cream has special UV filters coated with silica and absorb the sweat. Gently apply 15 minutes before the sun exposure. Application frequency depends on water exposure and mechanical factors. Redermi cream is a cream designed for solving skin problem. Hope this video was helpful for you. Also, please watch my next video. It will be about pre-care instruction for the clients. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.